Hello, my name is Diego and I work as a PHP developer for web, and in this video we're going to learn how to make a encrypted password using the function password hash of PHP and password verify. For this exercise we're going to use the website phptester.net. This tester is to try to write PHP and making testing. We are going to use two variables, and the first is var1, and I'm going to write something. For example, Diego. This is my first variable, and in the second variable I'm going to use the function has password hash. This function receives three arguments. The first is the variable I'm going to encrypt, so the variable is var1. The second parameter is one algorithm. For this case I'm going to use password decrypt. And the third parameter is one array with a special argument for the password by decrypt. So here we can write, for example, this, and the variable cost with value, for example, 11. This number is how many times the algorithm password by decrypt is going to execute. So this number is more bigger, so the CPU will take more time to do the task. Okay, so you can try 11, 12, 13 or less, for example 10 or 5. In this time we are going to print in the screen how is the part 2. So we're going to make click to test your PHP code, and we get this long string. Okay, this is our, for example, password but encrypted, so any hacker can see this, because this is Diego in my string, but encrypted is this rarely and very difficult to read password. So now we are going to verify if var1 is same var2. So I'm going to use if, and here we have to use another special function. The function is password verify. Password verify receive two arguments, two parameters. The first is what we are going to compare, so var1, excuse me, and the second is the encrypted string. In this case is var2. So if this comparison is true, I'm going to print it is true. else I'm going to print it is false. Now it's time to check if our code is right. May click to test your PHP code again, and this time say it is true because Diego is saying the bar 2 encrypted Diego. So we are going to try different. For example, Diego with number 3. Try again. It is true. Our function is working well. But for example, we can change here. Is Diego 3 saying like Diego 4? Test again, and this time it is false. So this code has many applications, and these two functions has many applications to do very secure PHP logins for our PHP applications. I hope this video will be very good for your projects, and see you soon.